In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online in 2023 with affiliate marketing just by promoting AI tools. I'm going to show you how to create in just a couple of clicks very high quality promotional material that you can use to promote literally any AI tool out there that is an affiliate program. So literally in just a couple of minutes, you will be able to create high quality content that's going to provide value to anyone who are going to promote it to. All you need to do then is just put your affiliate link in there, share it to the right people, and you're going to get paid. So just quickly smash the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and also comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. So first of all, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for AI tools with affiliate programs. You hit search on that, and what you want to do is go through some of these websites and pick one that you can use as a list to find an affiliate offer for AI tool that you're going to be promoting. So for example, in this case, this article is showing 79 best AI affiliate programs in 2023, high paying for beginners. I'm just going to scroll through this list, and as you can see, you've got some of the best and most famous AI tools out here. For example, Jasper AI, Copy AI, Writesonic, and literally dozens of other AI programs that you can use for this method. And some of these are going to be paying you in fixed rates. For example, for promoting this Grammarly AI, you will be paid 20 cents per free sign up and $20 per premium upgrade. Others will be paying you a couple of percent per commission. For example, Quillbot, everybody knows Quillbot, will be paying you between 10 to 20% per commission. So once you get your Quillbot affiliate link out there, for the next 30 days, once somebody is going to sign up using it, you will get paid your commission. So pretty much just go through this article and pick one AI tool that you want to go with, and I'm going to show you how to do this with Writesonic AI. I've been using Writesonic before to create high quality AI articles for my other methods, so I know this website through and through, know how to use it, but that's not entirely necessary, okay? All you need to do is just know how to use basic functions on an AI tool that you will be promoting, but for the very first time, I highly recommend that you pick one that you're almost to some degree familiar with. Next step, you want to go to Google and you want to search for Scribe. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that's called scribehow.com. Pretty much just click on it and go there, and all you need to do here is just click on get started. It's free, you don't have to submit your credit card, you don't have to pay for anything, and this is very high quality powerful tool that will help you to generate content very easily in just a couple of clicks that you can then use to promote anything and everything. So pretty much just click on get started, then just go through the sign up process. For example, I will be using Scribe for my personal use, and it will be just me using it, and I will be using it to create educational material. So I'm just going to select all of that, then just use my Google account to sign up. Then just go ahead and pick a name for your team. Even if you are not be inviting anybody else to use Scribe, it will just be you using it, but it's asking for a team name for some reason. Just go ahead and type in that and click on get started. And once you do that, you need to grab this extension for your browser. Just click on this get free extension, and pretty much if you're using Chrome, it's going to be looking something like this. This is the Scribe extension, official Scribe extension with 400,000 plus users. You don't want to be adding any other extension but this one, and then just click on add to Chrome, and it's going to get added to your browser. Once you do that, go back to the AI website that you want to be promoting, and from now on you will have to take great care about where you are going to click, because once we are going to start the Scribe tool, it's going to record every click along with a screenshot. So you need to take very good care where you are going to be clicking, because this is going to create a detailed guide, like a step-by-step PDF guide that you can see on eHow or any other website like that. So to start, pretty much just go to your toolbar and you want to select Scribe, the extension, and you want to click on start recording. From now on, this is going to be recording every click and every keystroke in your browser window, so you need to be sure to prepare what you are going to be recording beforehand. So pretty much I'm just going to create a detailed step-by-step guide how to use Writesonic AI, and first of all, the first step will always be go to the website, then click on start writing for free, and just by clicking that button, the screenshot with the step-by-step instructions got created, which I'm going to show you later. Then what you want to do is pretty much just go through the AI that you will be promoting and show how to use it very basically. So pretty much to use Writesonic, what I'm going to do is click on Article Writer 4.0. Then for the next step in creating Writesonic article, I'm just going to go to this topic and type in there something like using AI to create marketing content. This is just like a dummy topic that I'm going to use to create dummy article for this process, but make sure to pick something that's going to make sense, because this is going to get recorded and people are going to see it, so you don't want to be just typing nonsense in there. Once you pick your topic, click on search keywords if you're using Writesonic, and a bunch of keywords get generated for you. Then as as a part of the process, you need to select a SEO keyword that's going to be like the main cornerstone of this entire article. So I'm just going for this highest search one, which is content marketing examples. Then just click on it, click on next. Then the next part in this step-by-step guide will be creating ideas. So I'm just going to click on this button, and also this keystroke gets recorded. So pretty much everything that you're going to click on is going to get recorded along with a caption that's going to be pointing to it. So because I have clicked on generate ideas and this AI is going to generate ideas for me, there will be like a detailed step with screenshot of clicking on get ideas button, and then you want to select one of these ideas. So pretty much I'm just going to choose, let's say this one right here. I'm just going to click on it. Then the next step is to generate ideas. Then just choose some of these outlines of the topic. I'm just going to pick one at random because it really doesn't matter. This article is not going to get published or anything like that. So it really doesn't matter which one you're going to use, as long as you're going to click on it and it's going to get recorded as a step. So once you pick a article intro, you just click on generate outlines, then just select one of these outlines, just like that. Scroll all the way down here, click on generate article. And if you're promoting right signing, just wait for it to generate this article for you. And once it gets finished, you want to also include step about how to share this article. Pretty much it just occurred to me that I'm creating a step-by-step guide on how to create step-by-step guide on how to use AI. So this is like an inception of step-by-step guides, if you catch what I'm saying. So just click on share to finish this, and you want to share your document and download it as a PDF. And that's pretty much all you need to do if you're promoting Right Sonic. Then just go back to the toolbar, click on Scribe extension, and you want to click on stop recording, and you see the magic that's going to happen. And as you can see, Scribe has created this very beautiful looking detailed guide on how to use whatever AI tool that you want to go with. So pretty much it's including 17 steps, and it's looking something like a step-by-step guide that you can find on eHow or WikiHow or something like that. So first of all, it's going to tell you to navigate to writesonic.com, click on start writing for free, click on this field, type in there that and that, click on search keywords, pretty much like a detailed step-by-step guide that we can now edit into looking however we want to. So the first thing I'm going to do is go back to Right Sonic because I'm promoting this in my article. I'm just going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom of the page, and as you can see right here, there's this Right Sonic affiliate option. I'm just going to click on that, and because I'm already signed up for Right Sonic affiliates, I got my affiliate link down here. I'm just going to copy it, but once you're going to be signing up for an affiliate offer, you will have to type in there a bunch of personal information. Just go through the sign up process, and once you get your affiliate link, just copy it, go back to your Scribe guide, and what you want to do in this first step is pretty much just click on this pencil button, and you want to rewrite this into navigate to whatever AI you will be promoting by clicking this link and then put your affiliate link in there. So pretty much every time somebody's going to see this tutorial and they want to use the AI that you're going to be describing, they will click on your affiliate link, and once they're going to sign up, you will get paid. Then what you want to do is customize the rest of this document. So pretty much in this field, I'm going to change this sentence into click the topic and choose the topic for your article. Okay, then just click somewhere to save it. Go down here and you want to customize this into type in the topic of your article. Okay, click search keywords. That's fine. Go down here. Instead of click this box, I'm just going to type in there, select whatever keyword you want to use for your article. Okay, save it, go down here, click next. That step's correct. Then just go down here, click generate ideas. Instead of click here, I'm just going to type in pick the most fitting title for your article. Okay, pretty much what you are doing right now is just making these steps more detailed, because some of these steps need to be customized, because Scribe is going to record where you're going to click and it's going to describe it, but sometimes you need to make it a little bit more detailed. So just go through this step-by-step guide just like this, and you want to customize every step that's not fitting as you want it to be. Instead of click here, I'm going to type in there, pick the best intro paragraph for your article. Okay, generate outlines, that step's correct. And instead of click here, I'm just going to type in there, select the outlines that fit your article. Okay, then just go down here, generate articles, fine, click this image. Instead of click this image, I'm just going to type in there. Okay, then just go down here. Instead of click here, I'm just going to type in there, select the format for your document, and that's pretty much the last step. What I'm going to do down here is just add yet another step, and I'm just going to select this one and type in there, to create articles just like this using Right Sonic AI, click this link. Then I'm just going to paste my affiliate link one more time just for good measure, because every time somebody is going to read this step-by-step guide, they will not be scrolling all the way up to go to the affiliate link, but once you're going to put it as the last step, they are that much more likely to click on it and use your affiliate link to use the tool that you're going to be promoting. Once you finish customizing this document, what you can do is just simply click on this share button. You can send it directly to somebody's email. You can also smart embed it into your landing page if you're going to be setting up like a Google landing site, or you can just download it as a PDF. What I'm going to do is just pretty much click on download it as a PDF, because I'm going to show you a traffic source that you can use with this document to drive traffic to it and actually get signups for your AI tool affiliate link. So just click on view PDF right here. It's going to look something like this, like a high quality PDF document that is going to have your affiliate link right here at the top. And once somebody is going to click on it, they will be taken to the AI website, and once they're going to sign up for a paid plan, you will make money with this. So pretty much this entire document is going to look something like this, and what you want to do is download it to your computer by pressing this button. And once you save this to your computer, you want to go to docdroid.net and you want to upload this PDF to Docdroid. Just click on select files and upload the PDF that you have just created. Then just copy your Docdroid link, and what you want to do is go to hercules.com, sign up for your free account, and once you got it, log right into it. Click on submit daily email /web ad, and you want to navigate to this part where you can submit free advertisement to thousands of people. And all you want to do is just write a short email, for example like free tutorial, create high quality content using this AI tool. Then in this test URL field, you want to paste the link to your Docdroid document, and in the body of the email you can write something like this one right here, which I'm not going to lie to you, I used ChatGPT to generate for me. Just go to ChatGPT and type in there, write me a short email promoting AI tool that creates high quality content, or whatever AI tool you're going to be using, just add GPT to write your promotional email. Paste it into Hercules, and what you want to do actually is just somewhere in the email you want to write something like check it out here and paste your affiliate link in there. Then just copy it and paste it at the end once again for just for good measure. And I'm going to customize this into don't miss your chance to try it out, and then I'm just going to sign myself regards Andy Caddwell, just like that. Pretty much this is what you need to do to drive traffic to your PDF document, upload it to Docdroid, then just click on submit ad, and your ad is going to get submitted to thousands of people, and your email is going to be sent out to thousands of people. This is all you need to do to drive traffic to your Docdroid document, or you can just go ahead and paste the link to your document that you created using Scribe that's embedded with your affiliate link for whatever AI you're going to be promoting to social media. For example, just go to Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, start promoting this link, telling people about this incredible AI tool that you're using to create high quality content, and that way you will start getting traffic. So just go ahead and use Scribe to create these detailed step-by-step tutorials for anything that you may want to promote, embed them with your affiliate links, start driving traffic to them, and you can start making some money. Now if you enjoyed this method, just make sure to hit the like button if you haven't already, and if you're looking for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.